which is at the Courtyard by Marriott. It's also known as BG's. And today they have a special tiki bar counter, which I'm really excited. And we're going to walk through and show you what's in store in the front. This is Kishore, also a magician, by the way.
Yeah, by the bird. Okay, so let me welcome you with one small garland. And we have all different kind of cocktails here. Basically, come closer.
Yeah, come close.
So these are the specials of the day. We have a pina coladas we serve in a pineapples, and we have a melon juice we serve in a muskmelons, and we have a basil coolers which is mixed with the watermelon we serve in shells of a watermelons, and we have a heaven's kiss something we serve in an orange. It's basically that will be one of we just peeled off and we make the shells out of it and we serve in that. So that's the specialty of it.
So if I squeeze this in your eyes,
no. Okay. Basically, it is a concept of all fresh fruits and it's mixed with some fruit flavors and all this cool kind of drinks. That's the specialty of it. It's like more of Mai Tais and Jombies. This is the specialty of this one. With a lot of rum drinks basically. So we actually scoop out the watermelons, then we fix the taps inside to it, so that basically what you do is you fill the drink in it while you're serving, and that's the best part of it. And this is a mocktail of the day, which we have.
I kind of like these also. So again, the same thing.
Yes, we scoop out and it's all halo inside. You can see it.
Okay.
You can see there's a halo inside, and we fill the drink inside of that. So when the people ask me for that, so that's one more specialty of this. And apart from that, we have a fresh fruit mixers. One is pineapple, and which is mixed with many other things, and this is a muskmelon which is mixed with the fresh cut of guava in it. And we do have a watermelon which is mixed with some basil and sweet and sour to it. And this is basically a fresh fruit water which has nothing. We infuse the water with the fresh fruits, and that's a mocktail of the day. So these are all the specials.
Okay guys, so it's the Tiki Bar Lounge this Sunday. You have to come if you're somewhere around Outer Ring Road. Hop on across, the bar is open, food's ready.
And you know what? The best part, every Sunday we have different concepts here. So if you come next Sunday, you get to see something new. That's the best part about it.
So it's not going to be the same thing?
No, definitely not. But we will definitely do this again and again. But you get to experience new things in this bar. That's the specialty of Sundays in BG's.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Guys, you should come over. Now we're going to walk around and we'll see what's in store with the food. Yeah, so we've got some, I think, Indian what's there. Let me just walk around.
दाल मखनी कुक करी 24 hours with butter and curry with curry with dal. This is paneer makni. This is Punjabi dish. This is very tangy gravy, tomato and cashew nut gravy. This gobi ka chura with chopped gobi with chopped capsicum and bell pepper. Cooked with Indian spices. This sabzi loli is a mix of vegetables, puree of palak, spinach. This is Kashmiri pulao, rice of Kashmiri. This cooked with dry fruits and some fruits. This is Hyderabadi ghost biryani, cooked with mutton curry curd and mutton dumplings. This is authentic Hyderabadi cuisine. This is murg keeme ki tayari. This is normally homemade rice cooked with mutton chicken beans. This is murg makhni cooked with chicken cooked with clay oven with yogurts and Indian spices and tomato gravy, tangy tomato gravy. And this is stuffed ran musallam. This is a Mughlai dish. Ran stuffed with mutton mince and onion based.
Okay, guys, the food's looking really delicious. That was just the Indian side of it. This is the bar. I'm going to introduce you to Naresh, who is the head chef at BG's.
Idea of BG's here. It's complete concept of mixing different cuisines here. We've got Asian, we've got Indian, we've got Oriental, we've got Chinese, we've got the Western food. So this Indian, in the Indian food we have a concept of North Indian food. We got the Mughlai and the Awadhi and more the Punjabi food. We got different pieces, different dishes of makni. It's a mix of that. So Peshawari Tangri Kebab, Amritsari Tawa Machi and the Tomato Malai Jinga. You must have never seen the tomato malai jinga. Tomato mix of tomato flavors in the prawns in it and cooked in oven.
Well, I'm looking forward to have that. I love prawns. I love seafood.
But the badami paneer tikka and tandoor tikka. Tandoor, if you look into that, someone it comes into your mind that it's a stone-based kebab. Stone, how can it be a tandoor? So the dal which is used in it is like cozy grounded. So cozy grounded which gives you a chunky, cozy taste in the
Then we've got the chaat counter.
chaat itself, the finger licking.
This says it all. I mean, you don't have to go much into it. Then we've got. Okay, and here we've got the shawarma.
So when the shawarma on this, the choice of veg and non-veg. Generally, shawarma is non-vegetarian. Chicken, yogurt, this is the one. There's nice flavors in that.
Alright. So this is a main house.
Yes, ma'am. Different vegetables to it. If you want vegetarian shawarma roll, we do that. But ideally, it's a non-vegetarian roll.
Light band, that's also there. As you can see. Okay, now we're gonna walk from this
Pasta. different non-vegetarian, non-veg, and
I love Kausri. I'm gonna try some of that. So what's this here? This looks
there comes the vegetarian, Western main courses.
Western, okay.
Yeah, which we will eat. It's a nice Western dish. Western hot pie, mashed potato with nice flavors of vegetables in it.
Oh, that looks yum. It looks like a cake.
The vegetables are like nicely made into mash and different sauces for the meats. Here comes the meat.
Wow, that looks delicious. This is like
This is the one specialty for the BGs. And whoever comes in here, no one misses out
goodbye,
this.
guys.
Yeah.
If you're I'm telling you, if you're down the road, just come over. We have a feast. I'm gonna eat all this now.
Ribeye steak with nice vegetables, root vegetables, which generally goes with any steaks. Any steaks, root vegetables, potato or radish, sprouts.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, because we have the lava stone grill inside. The stone itself is also the lava stone. So it gives you, it is different. It gives you nice juicy. It makes the meat very juicy. So you got lamb chop, steaks, Mediterranean steaks, meat, scampi, you got the chickens, the vegetable meals. So here comes the cold station.
This is for people who just like to overnight. I'm gonna go on that side of the station.
So here's the cold station, and he's my chef in charge for the cold station. Chef, take us over with
So you wanna just explain what's your today, what's special on the cold station? Okay.
Concept of 3 different caviars here. But, cranberry caviar, basmati caviar. These are pretty common caviars which we heard about it.
Okay.
But this is the milk, made of milk, buttermilk.
Buttermilk caviar.
You can make different caviars. Like last time we had the milk caviar. This is made with the buttermilk. Balsamic vinegar, yeah. Balsamic vinegar. So for this week we had the concept of making different caviars.
And we have shakura drinks. Microwave.
Fresh into the okay.
Is the special cheeses, puri sandwiches.
Yeah.
So at the station of
It's Domino. Okay, so guys, you should come over to the Courtyard by Marriott, which is on the Outer Ring Road, and I think what is this? The sweet part, how can we forget? All you sweet people. So, let's have a look. It's a widespread again. I'm definitely going in for the cone and the ice cream
different ice-
because I think there's like a whole spread.
So here we make the ice cream, nitrogen ice cream.
Oh, okay.
So you use nitrogen ice cream.
Okay.
Here we can make a video of that.
Wow, that looks nice. So you're making fresh ice cream?
Yes.
Very nice. And what flavor? Any flavor?
Vanilla. So basically it's vanilla.
Okay.
So we can make any flavor of that.
Okay.
But here we are getting just vanilla flavor today.
Alright.
So we keep on changing every week.
Okay.
So coming down the week, we make you the blackcurrant or butterscotch. So we make all the notes actually.
Very nice, very nice. So guys, you should come down. I'm going to be eating all alone by myself. But then that's the vlogger's life, yeah?